Hi, welcome to this module on auto-summarizing text. In this module, we'll do something pretty exciting. We'll be able to walk you through writing a program that will take a piece of text, which could be an article or a review, and generate a summary automatically. We'll be using a rule-based model to do this. As part of this exercise, you will also learn some of the important mechanics involved in applying NLP in the real world. One such is scraping websites to actually retrieve text data that you want to summarize, and the other is to munch this text data in NLTK by performing tasks like tokenization and stop word removal. Let's say you have a very long review about a book and you just want to get the gist of it without having to go through the entire review. A short summary of the review would be really helpful in just understanding what this review is all about. A similar case can be made when you want to read a technical paper and you would just like to read a summary of the paper without having to go through the entire paper. That's basically what the abstract is. What we want to do here is to auto-generate an abstract or a summary for a long piece of text using a natural language processing program. We'll use the method which is known as abstract extraction. Basically, what we're going to do is to extract some important sentences from the text itself and combine them together to form the abstract. The idea being that a few well chosen sentences from the complete text together can just bring out the summary without having to read the entire text. We can use a rule based approach to perform this abstract extraction. Here's the approach that we'll follow. We'll first start by finding the most important words in the piece of text. So once you know which words in the text are most important, you can compute a significance score or importance score for all the sentences in the text based on the importance of the words that they contain. Once you have a score for all the sentences, you can just pick the top most significant sentences and those will form your abstract. So there are 2 points that we need to clarify here. First, what defines the importance of a word? How do you say that one word is more important to the text compared to another word? Folks who were trying to solve this problem empirically observed that authors tend to repeat the words that are more important to the theme of the text. So, the words that occur more often are basically more important. All you need to do is to compute a frequency for each word that occurs in the text, and the higher the frequency of the word, the more important the word is to that text. The second point that we need to clarify is the method in which a significance score for the sentence should be computed using the importance of words in the sentence. Intuitively, here it makes sense that the score of the sentence should depend on the importance of the words present within that sentence. So, we compute the significance score of the sentence by taking a sum of the importance of all the words within that sentence. In this way, we can compute a significance score for every sentence that is present within the text. Once you have the significance scores of all the sentences, all you need to do is to rank them in descending order and then pick the top n sentences where n is chosen based on the length of the abstract that you want to create. So if you want to create a very short abstract, you can choose n as 3 and you will get 3 sentences that summarize your text.